Well, today I'd like to toast you. I don't know if you ever thought about what it means to toast someone and why we call it that. Well, it's actually quite interesting, even though nowadays we probably wouldn't see much link between bread and wine. But actually, historically, there's always been a very close link. If we look at the Bible and Jesus talks about dipping the bread into the wine. And then, of course, the actual expression of toasting someone. Back when wine was much less palatable than it is today, they would serve a little piece of highly flavoured, sort of spiced toasted bread with the wine. And what people used to do is they used to drop that bit of spiced bread into the top of the wine to make it taste sweeter and nicer to drink. So what happened was people would have a drink with a lady. They'd be like, Madame, my lady, like this, and have a drink. And the implication was that thinking of that lady while they drank sweetened the wine, just like a piece of toast would. So that's why we toast someone. So now I'm going to give you 10 of my favourite toasts. Love. I have known many, liked a few, but loved but one, and that is you. To love. I don't know half of you as well as I would like, and I like half of you half as well as you deserve. To friends. So this is a traditional Royal Navy toast to our wives and our lovers. And then the retort from everyone else is, may they never meet. To wisdom. May we have the hindsight to know where we've been, the foresight to know where we're going, and the insight to know when we've gone too far. To wisdom. Nice short one for you. Lift 'em high, drain 'em dry. Shakespearean toast. Good company, good wine, good welcome. Make good people. Good people. So this is one that my son, who's 6, randomly said at lunch today. To kindness and love, the things we need the most. Kindness and love. Toast to peace. Let our soldiers be brave enough to fight for it, and our politicians be wise enough to keep it. To peace. Our most solemn of toasts. To absent friends. And the most important toast of them all. The loyal toast. Ladies and gentlemen, the Queen.